The question is, due to sudden floods, some welfare associations jointly requested the government to get 100 tents fixed immediately and offered to contribute 50% of the cost. If the lower part of each of the tent is a form of a cylinder of diameter 4.2 meter and height 4 meter with the conical upper part of the same diameter but of height 2.8 meter, and the canvas to be used cost ₹100 per square meter, find the amount the association will have to pay. What values are shown by these associations? So, to solve this question, first we'll move to the conical part of the tent, which is of height 2.8 meter and radius 2.1 meter. We'll find the length of the cone. To find the length of the cone, we'll use the formula under square root of r square plus h square. Here r is 2.1 and h is 2.8. So the L will come out to be under root of 2.8 square plus 2.1 square, that is 3.5 meter. Now the area of canvas for one tent is area of cylinder plus area of cone, that is 2 in pi rh plus pi rl, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 4 plus 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 3.5, which will come out to be 6.6 into 11.5 meter square. Now area for 100 tents will be area of 1 tent into 100, which will be 66 into 115 meter square. 1 tent canvas costs ₹100 per meter square, so the cost for 100 tents will be 66 into 115 into 100. Association will pay 50% of the cost. So the cost association will pay is 33 into 115.00 is equal to 379500. The values that are depicted by the association are helping the flood victims.